Welcome back to my channel guys. In today's video I'm gonna show you a nail hack through which you can make your nails before any event. As on each day nobody has time to do the nails. I made my nails using this hack. All you need is a Ziploc plastic bag because when you apply your nail polish on it, it peels off. So first apply your base color according to your nail size, then do your nail art. Here I am doing classic black and white pattern nail art with the print matching with my Eid dress. After your nail art is done, top it off with top coat and let all your nails dry. Then on the day of event, you can apply any nail color or the base color of your nail art on your nails and then paste your nail stickers on it. Clean off the excess using nail polish remover and a small brush. And your hassle-free nail art is ready. I really hope you guys like this idea. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos and also follow me on Instagram at nailsbyzana.